I'm just finishing up cutting the dough into 1-inch pieces, you guys. Now I'm gonna grab myself some pepperoni. Okay, let's grab a hunk of pepperoni right out there. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go through, I'm just gonna set 1 pepperoni on top of each piece of dough, you guys. It does not have to be like super fancy. Nothing has to be super centered. Just quickly go through and set 1 piece of pepperoni on top of each square of dough. Ooh, this is gonna be fantastic. This is looking so good. Oof, love me some dough and pepperoni. Okay, we have a piece of string cheese. Now you're gonna wanna take string cheese and you're gonna wanna cut it into 4 small pieces. Bam, there we go. And you're gonna go through, you're just gonna place the string cheese on top of that pepperoni right there on that square. Easy peasy, you guys. Anyone can do this. Ooh, and trust me, you're gonna want to. Wow, I didn't even plan that and I had exactly the right amount of cheese. It must be my lucky day. That's amazing. Okay, so take this now and we're gonna roll it all up. So you have the 1 string cheese and the dough. And it doesn't have to be really neat and fancy. Like I said, you just wanna kind of ball it all up. You're just gonna enclose the pepperoni and the cheese. And even if some of the pepperoni sticks out, you guys, it's okay, right? Don't get all crazy about it. It doesn't matter. See what we're gonna do next and you're gonna understand. We are just balling up our last piece of dough here, you guys. Look at all those delicious dough balls. Oof, stuffed with pepperoni and cheese. Oh my goodness. Okay, now watch what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a couple balls. We're gonna come over here. We're gonna place 3 balls right into our muffin pan just like that. So 2 or 3 balls will do. We're gonna go with 3 here because that's how many pieces we cut up in the pizza dough. So of course it's gonna depend on how big you cut that dough up. So like I said, I'm just gonna go with 3 balls right here into each muffin tin. And look at that. This can be such a cute, fun little appetizer here. It's like summer's here and I just love, you know, the whole idea of having people over, having some hors d'oeuvres, finger foods around. Let's go ahead, we're gonna slide this right over here, you guys. Now check this out. I have some marinara. Wow, look at that. I must be getting stronger. I could open that up on one swift
without my help.
Move, without your help, yes. And so I'm just taking a little bit of marinara and I'm just gonna do a little spoonful of marinara right on the top here of our little rolled pizza balls. And we're putting them into our muffin tin, which they're gonna kind of form a shape. The whole idea is that these are gonna end up having a little bit of cheese in every bite, a little bit of pepperoni, and such a fun thing to put out for everybody to share. Of course, you could stuff these balls with anything you want. What are you stuffing your balls with, you guys? Tell me what you're stuffing your balls with.
Jeez.
I know, that sounds awful, right? But you know, we all gotta laugh. We gotta have some fun these days. You guys gotta loosen up. Sometimes we're a little too tight, right? We kind of like stop having fun. We gotta remember, we just gotta keep having fun. It keeps you young. Okay, so we sauced up our balls there. They're looking nice and saucy. All right, you guys, now I have a little bit of shredded cheese. If that's too much for you, you don't have to do it, but I love just a little bit of shredded cheese. I'm just putting a pinch. Now I mixed together a little bit of an Italian blend cheese and a little bit of Parmesan. So whatever you choose is fine. I don't know, maybe mozzarella. Is that what you like? What do you like on your pizza? I really tend to even like ricotta cheese. I don't have that in the fridge, so we're going with this. And I like the way that when the Parmesan starts to toast in the oven, it gets a little crispier, a little bit more golden brown than the other cheese. And I love having those two combinations. Oh, that looks great. Okay, so we're gonna add some oregano right there on top, a little bit of a green factor. Plus I like a little oregano right there in my pizza balls. All right, let's quickly go through. Bam, there we go. And then also some basil. I'm gonna sprinkle some right on top. Sometimes this takes forever to get out. Oh no, that's not that bad. Okay, so we're doing a little shake here. Shake, shake, shake. Let's get that basil out. Bam, there we go. Okay, you guys, that's it. Look at how easy that was. We're rolling with a few ingredients right here. And how many options are there? I don't know. So many, right? But we're gonna take this one, we're gonna put it in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for about 20 minutes. And stick around because these little pull-apart pizza muffins, you're gonna love them. Wow, you guys, check those out. Those look super, super yummy. They are popped up and fluffy and doughy and so good. Oh, I love the extra cheese on top and the sauce mixed in. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna grab this one right here, I'm gonna pull it right out. See that? See how it just makes a little muffin just like that? Oh my goodness. Let's rip into these. We have these little individual pieces now. Don't forget, you see the cheese in there? Oh, the cheese in there and the pepperoni. Oh, look at that cheese and pepperoni. Wow, I think this is gonna be really good. You know what? It's like your own little individual pull-apart pizza. I love the fact that there's cheese and pepperoni in every bite, and that little bit of sauce, you can kind of see how it dripped down in to this original, like just this pull-apart. I'm really, really digging this a lot. I love this idea, you guys. Tell me if you like this idea, if you do anything different, add anything else. But like I said, look at all of these, they just pop right out and you got your own little pull apart pizza muffin. I mean, who wouldn't love this idea? I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. We'll see you guys later. Ooh, I'm gonna dig in.